Well, folks, we're back now to try and continue some of the story on the on upcoming changes to the way that public transportation here in Rochester is going to end up operating pretty soon. So, um, last blog and last video we just did, we just kind of went over this that we ended up getting in the mail probably like a couple of days ago or a few days ago, and then just kind of getting started trying to show you online. Again, we ended up going on a website called www.myrts.com. You know, because I know, you know, this is currently the way fixed route, public transportation fixed route system, fixed route deal looks like right now, but it's gonna change though. So now, so what I thought I'd start out by sharing with you, and chances are we'll probably need to do maybe another video on this because we only have so much storage space. We'll probably need to do another video on this at least maybe after I get this vlog and this video uploaded, because I only have so much storage space and tablet before it's gonna cut off and say storage space is out, need to clear some storage space. But anyway, for right now, this right here, they're setting, Rochester Public Transportation is setting something up called Community Mobility Zone, or abbreviations for it, from what I've learned, are CMZ. Again, Community Mobility Zone. So this is what it says here. Community Mobility Zone, CMZ, abbreviations are CMZ, are areas in the community we are where we are going to replace fixed route service with customized technology rich solutions that are more flexible and innovative. These areas do not support fixed route transit due to low densities, disconnected develop disconnected develop disconnected develop disconnected develop disconnect dis disconnected 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 about disconnected about disconnected about disconnected development patterns, or poor road networks, or poor road network structure. This new approach to public transit means customers will enjoy a more customized, flexible, and reliable transit experience with access to the fixed route system through use of the connection use of the connection hubs described in this report. RTS has identified 7 areas as CMZs. Number 1, Brockport. Number 2, Greece. That's us. Number 3, Henrietta. Number 4, Irondequoit. Number 5, Lexington Avenue. Number 6, Pittsford/Eastview. And number 7, Webster. So, with that all said, and then this is kind of a little bit of a description, kind of a map description, kind of regarding the new CMZ Community Mobility Zone system. All right, CMZ Mobility Solution and stuff here. Following extensive evaluation and community outreach, RTS concluded that the RTS On-Demand Mobility Solution is the best option to implement in each CMZ. RTS On-Demand, in parentheses, on-demand microtransit. RTS on-demand service will operate based on customer requested trips, serving any number of origins and destinations within each CMZ. RTS on-demand trips are curb-to-curb based on requested customer origin and destination. There is no set route or schedule like a conventional transit service. Customers can use the on-demand service within a CMZ to make a complete trip or connect to fixed route service at either a connection hub or fixed route bus stop for travel outside the CMZ. RTS on demand customers can request a ride through the RTS mobile app, the RTS website, or by calling the RTS customer call center. RTS will operate the RTS on demand service with the RTS owned accessible vehicles and with an RTS vehicle operator. This will be the public transit option for each CMZ. CMZ fares with the mobility options operated by RTS in the community mobility zones, replacing service with 40 and 60-foot buses. We want the fares in these zones to be comparable to the fixed route fare. Following is the fare structure for the RTS on-demand service in the CMZs. Again, since some of you other YouTubers or whatever are not all from here in Rochester, you know, it does say the fares and stuff, but I'm gonna skip telling you that part because not all of you are from here in Rochester. Let's see if we can scroll down to something else here. I don't know how much longer I got before this vlog and video is gonna get cut off, and I'm gonna have to upload this. So see if I can read one last thing here to you. I don't know how much we're gonna get before this vlog and video is gonna cut off, and I got to get this uploaded before we do another vlog and video. Connection hubs. A central aspect of Reimagine RTS is an emphasis on network connections and an improvement in overall customer mobility. This includes both stronger connections between fixed routes and the integration of new mobility solutions in the community. Mobility zones CMZ with the core fixed route transit network. To facilitate these various connections, RTS will create connection hubs throughout the service area at key network convergence points and outer network areas where customers may transfer between multiple RTS bus routes or connect to a CMZ or connect to CMZ options and other modes of transportation to reach their destination. RTS is working to develop connection hubs at the following